Introducing the Pterygium Ophthalmic Kit, a meticulously curated set of 10 premium instruments, specifically designed to enhance precision and efficiency in pterygium excision surgeries. This comprehensive kit includes eye scissors, straight, pointed. Measuring 11.5 centimeters in length, these scissors are essential for precise cutting of delicate ocular tissues. Micro-tying forceps, straight. Featuring a 5mm tying platform and an overall length of 10.5 centimeters, these forceps facilitate secure and accurate suturing during surgery. Suture forceps, equipped with 1x2 teeth, 0.12 millimeters, and a wide handle. These 11.5 centimeter forceps ensure efficient handling and manipulation of sutures. Each instrument is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and reliability for repeated use in delicate eye procedures. Equip your practice with the Pterygium Ophthalmic Kit, where precision meets reliability. Visit our website or contact us today to enhance your surgical instrumentarium. Follow us on social media for the latest updates, products, and tips from Stelmar Instruments.